Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify your credit utilization across multiple cards, complete guide step by step clearly. To verify your credit utilization across multiple cards, start by gathering all your credit card statements. Note the credit limit for each card. Record the current balance for each credit card. Calculate the credit utilization ratio for each card by dividing the current balance by the credit limit. Multiply the result by 100 to convert it to a percentage. For example, if a card has a balance of $300 and a limit of $1,000, divide 300 by 1,000. This gives you 0.3. Multiply 0.3 by 100 to get a credit utilization of 30%. Repeat this process for each credit card. Next, tally the total balances of all credit cards. Also, sum up the total credit limits across all cards. Now calculate your overall credit utilization ratio. Use the formula, total balances divided by total credit limits. Multiply the result by 100 to convert it to a percentage. This overall utilization can provide a clearer picture for lenders. As a best practice, aim to keep your utilization below 30%. Consider using spreadsheet software to track your balances and limits over time. Review this information monthly to maintain good credit management. By staying informed about your credit utilization, you can improve your credit score. Make adjustments as necessary if your utilization is too high. Consider paying off balances sooner or increasing credit limits where possible. Monitor your credit reports regularly to see how changes impact your scores. Remember, responsible credit usage is key to financial health. Adjust your strategies as your financial situation evolves. This systematic approach will help ensure you maintain a healthy credit profile. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.